This one is a nice one, and the sheen on the skin, nice and shiny. This is a nice fresh kingfish. Put my knife there. Take it easy when you're cutting kingfish too, take your time. Put your knife there and just go straight down. See, my knife is always away from me. Never try and do it, that's too dangerous. And cut down here. Lift it up. Now I'm going to go up the rib cage. It's important you don't want to rip this part because that's quality gone. So then I'll cut it here. And there's your product there. Why you be careful to go over this, take your time when you're cutting it so you don't rip this part. So what I'll do is I'll just trim this one off. And there you are.